Welcome back to our channel, guys. It's New Year's Eve and we are at the open beach here in Sufouh Dubai, UAE. And all walks of life are here gathering around. As you see, it's very busy. Different cars, different brand of cars are all here because this is the perfect spot where you can watch the Burj Al Arab fireworks, the Atlantis fireworks, and of course the Blue Waters fireworks. So we are here 30 minutes ago and almost 11:30 here in the evening, and still very busy. Everyone is taking their spot, a perfect spot, because you need to be on the exit. You need to be near to the exit because it's gonna be traffic. It's gonna be a massive traffic later on. So just sit back, guys, and before I will end this intro, I would like to shout out to all our team So Good Bahay, headed by Jenny Miranda, and of course the admin of the day. So shout out to you and all the members. Mega shout out to you guys. So happy new year, and just sit back there and we will show you the fireworks later. So guys, 20 minutes more or less, we are about to start now.
But don't jumping at
So Burj Al Arab there. Guys, so busy. We are in the open beach.
Nagyupok na. Di na na.
There, the Atlantis palm is there. So we are very excited. Ready. Guys, 4 minutes more. And Happy New Year. That's Burj Khalifa there, twinkle there. And this is Burj Al Arab. Yay! 4 minutes, guys, and it's New Year. Guys, we're about to start now. I can't express my emotion. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at the Burj Khalifa, the Burj Al Arab. Burj Khalifa there. Oh, you there? Burj Khalifa first. Woo! Woo! Burj Khalifa there, guys. Burj Khalifa there. Oh my God. Everywhere, guys. Everywhere. Burj Khalifa first. Burj Khalifa. Burj Khalifa.
The lighting green.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Who's controlling it?
Ooh.
Can Papa see her?
Yeah. I know, everywhere, guys. I'll take my around Atlantis.
I'm boy, he's gonna be much scared because around. There's a lot of them.
Happy New Year. I know. Burj Khalifa there, guys. are professional. It's done. Burj Khalifa still on. Oh God, this is amazing for Burj Khalifa there. No, the Burj Khalifa. Oh, look. Oh God, that's amazing for Burj Khalifa. Actually, they're not finished yet there. There's still some.
Whoa, look at that!
OMG. Oh, it's not finished here. Sorry guys, it's not finished. OMG. Oh, look at that. It's okay, Papa's taking it. Oh, amazing. Happy New Year 2021.
It's not 621. Something.
2021.
It's English.
Happy New Year. Oh wow, this is almost more than 7 minutes of fireworks display here at Burj Al Arab. Oh, this is the highlights, I think. Whoa!
It's the biggest one.
I know, Papa's taking it. Papa's taking it. Wow, it's around us.
The Burj Khalifa is the best in the
Nice, very, very nice. MG still on.
Very, very professional.
I know, love. OMG.
A rocket ship. It looks like a big snowman walking.
It's almost 9 minutes of fireworks. Uwi, anak. Uwi, anak. Happy